I'm talking about SJCAM SJ8 Dual Screen. So for this video, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing, quick rundowns of their specification, features, and I'll share with you some of sample photos and videos, including underwater footages. So please stick around till the end. This video is for you. Before anything else, please feel free to like and share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell button to get notified for new uploads. Its features. First up, it has a dual screen. It has a front and back screen, and the back screen is touch screen. You can switch freely by long press the button on top, so it is more convenient and easy to operate. Actually, this one, the dual screen, is what made me buy this. I was on the lookout for a GoPro alternative, much cheaper, and I found this because, hey, I'm a woman with trust issues. I want to do my selfie pictures and videos and want to make sure I am within the frame. Aside from 4K 30 FPS HD video recording, it has a 170-degree wide-angle lens for multiple shooting mode. It has an A1 image priority because this one uses Sony sensor. It identifies subject and adjust automatically. It has a super night vision. Even at night when the light is really not good, you can still take pictures and videos. And I discovered this mode called video plus photo mode, where you can take videos and photos all at the same time. All you have to do is move your camera, it will take a video, and then when you stop, it will take photos. So it's like 2-in-1 mode. Next up, it has an ultra long battery life, up to 120 minutes. And get this, you can record while charging. I tried that, but you can't do it on an empty battery. You have to charge it up first, up to 1 bar. So the best part there is to get an extra battery, so there's no attachment to it. And it has a Wi-Fi transfer for easy edit and share. All you have to do is download its app. And it has a built-in mic and speaker and external mic jack. And you're gonna ask me, it has a mic jack. Where is the mic jack with this little thing? And this is the same question I was asking last night for like half an hour, checking it out. Where's the mic jack? This is the mic jack. The charging port is their mic jack. So you can charge, record, and use the mic all at the same time. Unless, of course, you have those split type wire that you can do both. So there. Overall, I really like this. It's a good buy for me. The only drawback here, this one has no gyro. It's like my love life. It has no stability, but it's okay. I have no plans of riding a bicycle and do some somersault. I only want a simple underwater footage. So it's a good buy.